And when the machine is embroidering, we cut the thread. And you see, it will stop embroidery and it will show error on the computer. Broke line, needle number 3. At this situation, firstly, we need to thread the needle back. After we thread the needle back, we come to the computer operation. Firstly, we exit this arrow page, and then we come to press this icon. It's a mending function, because when the machine breaks a thread and when the machine stops, it has several seconds. So the machine may empty running for several stitches. Here we can make the machine go back to several stitches. You can see the real-time stitches moving. And we press again to make it stop. And we can, if you go back too much, we can also make it go forward. And when it stops at a proper position, we can go back to main page and press start button to make it working. So it will continue working at the stop point. And at the same time, I'd like to introduce you more about the mending function. Go inside this icon. It's controlling the stitches to go back or go forward. Here is the make the stitches go back at a normal speed, and press again to stop. And this is control the stitches to go forward, and press again to stop. And this icon is for go back and go forward, fast speed, so fast. And here, forward, very fast. And this is for go back only one stitch, and go forward only one stitch. And this is for go back one color, and this is go forward one color. The color sequence is changing here. And here, controlling the design to go back or go forward certain stitches. This is the overall introduction of the mending function. You can use it according to your real need.